Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today we are going to focus on four types of sentences, and they are very common, useful, interesting, easy, and we need to have a good command to communicate with the people, those who are to be answered in English. Let's see. The sentences are: say, present indefinite, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present indefinite. Okay, and there we go. And then we write here past indefinite. All right, past indefinite. Okay, and here we write future indefinite, future indefinite. All right, good. And here we write present continuous. Continuous. All right. Why am I going to focus on the sentences? There are a few important reasons, and if I would like to reason them, I have to say these four structures play vital role, especially for communicating with the people of the what should I say, other parts of the world, as we have got to go for communicating while writing something, reading something, or telling something, or knowing something. That's what is going on around the globe. And if we deny the importance of it, we have no way out, because every day's usage comes automatically. So today we start with this. He buys. Okay, he buys a ball. Say he buys a ball. Okay, he buys a ball. We can say three times. He buys a ball. He buys a ball. He buys a ball. She ekti ball kine. And sentence number 2. If it is buy for the past indefinite, the past form of verb will be he bought. He bought a ball. He bought a ball. He bought. The pronunciation of this word is he bought. He bought. He bought a ball. A ball. A ball. A ball. A ball. He bought a ball. And for future indefinite, we say he will buy a ball. He will buy a ball. See, that comes from there. Here we have S, but there is no S, because for future indefinite tense, we cannot use S or ES with the principal verb, as there is will. As this will is a modal verb, we cannot use SES with the principal verb. So we say he will buy a bird. The massive difference between two sentences is that we say he buys S, present form, third person singular number. He buys a ball. For past tense, he bought a ball. For future tense, as it is future, she ball kinbe, kinbe, আর এখানে হচ্ছে সে বল কিনেছিল, কিনেছিল, কিনবে, he will buy a ball. আর সে একটি বল কিনছে, as it is present continuous, we have to use be verb. Okay, he is buying a ball. He is buying a ball. He is buying a ball. A ball. He is buying a ball. সে একটি বল কিনে, he buys a ball. There is a review for you. He buys a ball. He bought a ball. He will buy a ball. He is buying a ball. If you would like to change it for a question, so what does he buy? What does he buy? He buys a ball. For that, we have to use an auxiliary verb for making question. What does he buy? What does he write? সে কি লিখে? What does he write? সে কি বলে? What does he say? Like this we can change. He bought a ball, and see what, because we want to know what. What means ball. What? Ball. What? For past indefinite, we have to change it did. What did he buy? What did he buy? He buy. Does is changed into did. What does he buy? হোয়াট ডিড হি বাই সে কি কিনেছিল হোয়াট ডিড হি রাইট সে কি লিখেছিল হোয়াট ডিড হি ড্রাইভ সে কি চালিয়েছিল like this we can change and he will buy a ball so again what okay what for future we are making question earlier it was did now it will be will what will he buy সে কি কিনবে what will he buy what will he buy সে কি বলবে what will he say what will he say সে কি শিখবে what will he learn what will he learn what will he learn what will he learn সে কি ধরবে what will he catch like this we can change okay what will he catch for present continuous tense we are making the question what does that change what is he buying what is he buying সে কি কিনছে বাংলাটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে সে কি কিনছে what is he buying সে কি বলছে what is he telling সে কি লিখছে what is he writing like that what is he writing সে কি পড়ছে what is he reading so we have first written the positive or affirmative sentence or we can say assertive sentence then we transform them into a question and if somebody asks you what does he buy you say he buys a ball what does he learn he learns English what does he tell he tells a story what does he draw he draws a village scenery and if it is the past tense you can say what did he buy he bought a ball what did he tell he told a story what did he drive he drove a car what did he write he wrote a letter what did he eat he ate a piece of fish or a piece of chicken all right and if it is continuous future indefinite we can say what will he tell সে কি বলবে what will he drive সে কি চালাবে he will drive a car he will learn English he will help me he will catch a ball he will catch the pen all right he will open the glasses okay and he will wear the tie and he will untie the tie he will tie the tie he will wear a blazer okay like that we can change and if it is continuous tense what is he buying he is buying a lots of books okay all right not a lots of books a lot of books see here is mistake that we can say what should I say that's a mistake that slips all right what is he buying he is buying a book what is he telling he is telling a story what is he driving he is driving a car what is he drawing he is drawing a scenery and if I put you a question you just answer this what does it tell yes right answer what এবার আপনাদের আনসারের পালা আপনারা ইন্টারভিউটা ফেস করেন হ্যাঁ মুখে জড়তা কেটে যাবে বারবার বলতে হবে what does he write yes correct answer what does he tell that's great what does he draw that's great what does he eat yeah all correct all four correct thank you you did great and past tense what did he buy এখানটা আপনি ভুল করবেন আপনি বলবেন যে he buys বা he buy এটি হবে he bought কি হবে he bought what did he buy he bought a ball okay now it's your turn what did he buy yes correct what did he write আরে আপনি he write বলেছেন আমি did দিয়ে বলেছি what did he write আমি কিন্তু did he write বলেছি does he write বলি নাই what did he write answer হবে he wrote did he write he wrote did he write he wrote did he say he said did he buy he bought did he catch he caught did he try he tried did he know he knew did he see he saw did he catch he caught did he get he got did he try he tried clear what did he draw correct what did he drive yes correct what did he see correct what did he learn correct what did he drink correct now we are changing it to the future indefinite tense all right what will he catch he catch বলেছেন ভুল হয়েছে he catch কোনো ইংলিশ নেই either he catches হবে আর না হলে he caught হবে আর না হলে he will catch হবে okay he catch কোনো ইংলিশ নাই He will catch a ball. Yes, yes, that's correct. What will he see? Yes, এবার আপনি he will দিয়ে শুরু করেছেন, হির পরে will বলেছেন, হির পরে কি বলেছেন? will. He will go, সে যাবে, he will write, সে লিখবে, he will play, সে খেলবে, he will answer, সে উত্তর দেবে, he will question, সে প্রশ্ন করবে, he will wait for me at a station, সে স্টেশনে আমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করবে. That's correct. Okay, where will he wait for you? Okay, that's correct. And what will he drive? Okay, and what will he answer? Okay, correct. Now change it to present continuous tense. He is telling a story. What is he telling? He is buying a book. What is he buying? Okay, I am questioning. What is he buying? Oh, good, correct. What is he writing? Oh, that's great. And what is he drawing? Oh, correct. What is he changing? That's great. You did great. You got 10 out of 10. Congratulations. Alhamdulillah. And hope you to be with us to continue this process to develop your skill. And this is a truer way if you can follow. Have a very, very good day. Good luck, everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu.